In the vast silence of the cosmos, a stranger has arrived. 3-Eye Atlas, a celestial visitor with a path never seen before. But this isn't just astronomy. This is mystery, prophecy, and maybe contact. What hides behind the frozen glow of the unknown?
In the cold stillness of space, a silent traveler moves, unseen by most, unnoticed by many. A comet? No, an interstellar object. Unlike most celestial wanderers, bound by the gravity of our sun, this visitor was born in a different star system. Its name? 3-Eye Atlas, the third confirmed object to drift into our solar neighborhood from the stars beyond. Discovered in late 2023 by astronomers at the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS, based in Hawaii. 3-Eye was first seen as a faint, slow-moving dot among millions of stars. But as its motion was tracked, scientists realized something unusual. Its trajectory didn't match anything from our solar system. It was coming from the outside. Most comets orbit in vast ellipses, drawn by the gravity of the sun. But 3-Eye Atlas is different. Its hyperbolic orbit, a wide-open curve, is the cosmic signature of an object just passing through. A visitor from another place, not a resident. Only 2 other interstellar objects have ever been observed. In 2017, we met 1-Eye Oumuamua, a slender tumbling mystery that sparked theories ranging from alien probes to frozen hydrogen shards. Then came 2-Eye Borisov in 2019, a comet-like body with a visible tail, more familiar, but still undeniably alien. Now, it's 3-Eye's turn. So far, 3-Eye Atlas has remained faint, too distant to reveal clear structure, but its speed, its trajectory, and the chemical signatures detected from its spectrum all confirm it does not belong here. Where does it come from? That remains unclear. It may have been ejected from a dying solar system, thrown into the void during the birth of a supernova or the collapse of planetary orbits. Some even speculate it could have drifted for millions, maybe billions of years before entering our cosmic backyard. As of now, it shows no clear tail, no glowing coma. It's cold, dark, silent, yet its movement feels deliberate, its arrival timed. Is it just cosmic chance, or is something else at play? The universe doesn't often deliver messages, but when it does, they come wrapped in mystery. And so, humanity watches. Scientists point their telescopes. Engineers model trajectories. And thinkers, from philosophers to dreamers, begin to whisper questions. What stories does this wanderer carry? What secrets lie frozen in its core? And why? Now, this is just the beginning of the 3-Eye Atlas enigma, a tale that bridges science and imagination and invites us to look up once more in awe. By the time 3-Eye Atlas breached the outer reaches of the solar system, a team of astronomers at the European Southern Observatory had begun to notice anomalies. The object's surface reflectivity was abnormally low, darker than expected. It didn't behave like a typical comet. There were no jets of gas, no dust plume, only a tight, steady path, as if shielded from solar heat. When a passing beam of infrared light caught the comet's flank, a strange spectral signature returned. Not just carbon, ice, and silicates, the usual suspects, but something else, a trace compound never seen before. Some believed it to be complex hydrocarbons, a frozen echo of alien biology. Others dismissed it as noise, a glitch in the data. But the object kept moving, slowly, silently, unwavering. As 3I Atlas drifted past Neptune's orbit, radio telescopes in Australia and Chile were calibrated to monitor radio silence, the deep space hum of the void. That's when it happened. A short burst of narrowband radio emission, lasting only 7 seconds, came from the direction of the comet. Not enough to call it a signal, but enough to stir questions. Researchers filed it as an anomaly, a statistical blip. But in hushed corners of the scientific community, some whispered it's similar to the WOW signal from 1977. Same frequency band, similar duration, too precise to be random. As the object approached the Kuiper Belt, the mystery deepened. Several amateur astronomers noticed an odd behavior. 3I Atlas appeared to adjust its trajectory slightly, as if responding to gravitational nudges or something else. One anomaly could be coincidence, two could be error, but three? Suddenly, headlines began to form. 3I Atlas, the alien visitor. Are we being watched? Scientists divided on signals from the edge of space. NASA, ESA, and JAXA issued joint statements. We are continuing to monitor the object closely. At this time, there is no evidence of artificial origin, but behind closed doors, dedicated resources were now quietly assigned. A new question emerged. What if it's not just a rock? What if it's a messenger, a probe, a relic, a seed? All the while, Earth remained unaware. The world turned, consumed with politics, trends, weather, war, but above, just past the orbit of Uranus, something moved, and it's coming closer. What if the sudden arrival of Atlas wasn't by chance? What if this was always meant to happen? As the days slip toward December 2025, the world remains suspended in a strange, shimmering calm, like the breath before a thunderstorm. The 3I Atlas object, once labeled a comet, now defies every model known to science. Its trajectory continues to shift with eerie precision, adjusting ever so slightly, as if responding not to gravity, but to us. International observatories report something new. Not just light, but patterns. Not just a signal, but a sequence. 3I Atlas pulses in measured intervals, too regular for chance, too deliberate for nature. Encrypted within infrared bursts are tones, symbols, fragments of mathematical language older than any civilization. The same frequency. It was found inside the pyramids of Giza, in Viking runestones, etched beneath the Antarctic ice. Coincidence or invitation? Whispers from the edge. Across the globe, strange things begin to happen. Dreams of a blue lattice sky, of towering silver beings with hollow voices and eyes like galaxies. Birds migrating off-season, heading not south, but up, spiraling into the sky. Children speaking words they've never learned, drawing intricate sigils in the sand. Magnetic anomalies spike across ancient sacred sites. Stonehenge, Uluru, Teotihuacan. And then, the message, a chilling, looping pattern picked up by SETI's most remote outpost, repeating in 3-second intervals. You have been seen. You will be known. What if this is not the first time? Some now believe 3I Atlas is not a newcomer, but a returning vessel, one we have met before, in myth, in dreams, in stories long buried by time. Ancient records from Mesopotamia speak of the Skybringer, a celestial object that came once every 5,000 years, accompanied by upheaval and rebirth. It brought fire, then light, then silence. Religions called it divine. Empires fell under its shadow, and always, a golden age followed. What if 3I Atlas is the same, a cosmic reset, or a great reckoning, humanity's final puzzle? Beneath CERN, scientists whisper in locked rooms about resonant codes in human DNA, strands that react to the Atlas pulses. Are we receivers, built to awaken when they arrive? And what if Earth's moon, hollow in vibration, unnaturally circular, now showing new thermal patterns on its dark side for the first time since Apollo 17? What if the moon was placed here as a beacon? What if we've been watched from the start? And then comes December. The date is marked December 21st, 2025, the winter solstice. The same night, 3I Atlas will come closest to Earth, a mere 0.008 astronomical units. Governments deny panic, but quietly issue blackout protocols. Religious leaders hold silent vigils. Billionaires flee to private bunkers beneath Iceland and New Zealand, and yet millions look to the sky, not with fear, but with wonder, because deep down, we all feel it. Let's just imagine. What if the stars shift that night, forming constellations we've never seen? What if the oceans rise and then fall, revealing something buried? What if a voice echoes in our minds, not in language, but in emotion? What if, as 3I Atlas passes over, everyone across the globe dreams the same dream and wakes changed? What if we are not just being visited, but judged? Until December, we live in the in-between, a world suspended between science and myth, fact and prophecy. But the veil is thinning, and when the final light of the solstice hits the earth, the truth will be revealed. It is unavoidable, and nothing will ever be the same again.
For now, we watch and we wonder. But as December 2025 draws near, the veil will lift. The truth will reveal itself. And whether we're ready or not, the sky will answer.